Alright, I'm at my dad's house. I'm going to do a review and demo of this Amerimax snap-in filter gutter guard, which is made in the USA. It's $49.99 for a box, which is 50 bucks. Box is 75 foot. The length of each panel is 3 foot. I'm going to open it up and show you. I already measured my dad's house. He needs 118 foot. So this stuff is, he had his old gutter guard on for probably 20 years, and he just got a new roof. So we threw the old stuff away and we got this stuff. It's plastic. There's a notch in the back that snaps into the gutters, and then it's got a mesh over top of it. The mesh side faces upward towards the sky. And so far I put one piece in. I took the old stuff out. I put one piece in and it was pretty easy. I guess the only thing that's going to be hard is making the cuts, which this stuff probably will cut with a pair of tin snips and some scissors. So what I'm going to do is get my ladder out and throw a piece up just to show how easy it is to install, and then do a before and after I get the house and garage done. Click the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. First piece is in. A suggestion is to make sure your gutters are cleaned out too and clear free of all the debris before you start doing this job. I got a piece right here, and I'm gonna slide it up underneath the shingles. So it's underneath the shingles, and now I gotta get it snapped to the gutter. Get it flush down here with this one, and then snap it in. That's it. Hit a little rainstorm right when I was getting ready to finish this job. Let's cut it right here just to be safe. I'm curious to see how this stuff cuts. Here goes nothing. Oh, that's like butter. Damn! This is the final product. It probably took me, I'm gonna guess, 20 minutes total, just because I had to get down and move the ladder. Little kinks in it here and there, but for the most part it came up pretty good. This house is probably 90 years old. The drip edge is not square, so there was a bubble down there in the drip edge. I can't do anything about that, but it worked. So I'm a fan of the product just because of the success we had with it for the last 20 years. I cannot believe that this is only $100 to do his whole house and his neighbor's garage. I see these commercials for gutter guard on TV that I think are just traps for the elderly. So if you can still get on the ladder and got $100 and a measuring tape, a pair of tin snips, maybe some scissors and a black marker, you can knock this project out yourself. It's probably going to take me, I'm guessing, an hour or two to do the rest of the house. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. The links for the product will be in the description.